So on this particular little baby's quilt, I'm ready to put the binding on. I like to put the binding on with a walking foot. I find that it gives me a better finish because there's absolutely no drag when I do the sewing through the wadding. This is a walking foot that has a very visible center, but is a slightly new generation to the one I have on the machine because this piece is slightly wider than a 1/4 inch. And now this is the magic of the mitred corner. We're going to turn right on the corner here. The fabric isn't attached, so we're going to turn that corner. The fold is going to come right up to the edge, like that. And this piece of fabric is going to lie flat on the next side. So the quilt is now nicely trimmed. If I open this up for you, you can see the lovely mitred corners on the front, here on the edges.